Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. So welcome to get ready with me for my birthday. Well, honestly, it is not exactly my birthday yet, but I am sure जब तक ये वीडियो पोस्ट होगी मेरा बर्थडे निकल चुका होगा. It just goes this way because I have shot so many videos, I have shot haul, I have shot vlog, and it's just sitting right there क्योंकि मुझे edit करने का time नहीं मिल रहा है and I'm also feeling so overwhelmed, about all these how to edit and what to put there, how to put there. I am so overwhelmed by all of this, but I'm pretty sure, like, I'm very positive that I want to do this video. And so, yeah, without any further ado, let's get into it. First thing first, I'm having my breakfast. So, meanwhile, let me give you some brief that I already have done, but after this one bite, okay? I got my hair done yesterday. I just got a little trimming and just to, give it a fresh look. And I'm still in the bun. I don't know. It's so hot. Durga Puja is here. My birthday is here. And it is not, even a bit. थोड़ी सी भी ठंड नहीं हुई है थोड़ा सा भी ठंडा मौसम नहीं हुआ है and I just cannot open my hair and it is so irritating as well. Also, I have already done my skin prep glow up. Okay, now that you have already seen my preps and glow up reset, it's kind of a birthday ritual like for every year, and I love to do a glow up before my birthday even come because I just feel that way. Facial hair shaving, and I like to do that on the morning of my birthday dinner. So we are doing old method. If you have any aloe vera gel or any gel cream, then you can definitely use that as well. And so I'm using my aloe vera gel. I like to shave my facial hair because it really gives that smooth base for makeup as well and exfoliate all the dead skin and dirt. Now the skin feels very fresh and smooth. So as of now, I'm gonna do a little skincare, which includes a lot of hydration. And I'm gonna, you have to give some time to prep it before you do your makeup. By the way, do you like my blazer collection? Most of them are from Sarojini. And I mean, yeah, except the blue one in middle because it is custom made and I know you guys love this a lot. This is just herb deep nourishing serum. It has this very small gold particles of very, very natural sheen with the skin. You can already see the difference, right? Next, I'm using this A Kind Bright Idea Radiance Serum. The packaging is so cute and I am loving this serum lately. This is the texture of the serum. It's very watery, but it's very nice. Plum rice water and niacinamide serum. This one is really good and this literally keep my skin hydrated for hours. So when I know that I want my makeup to stay longer, I use this in day. Otherwise, I mostly use in my PM routine moisturizer. This is Just Herb Radiant Glow Gel Cream. Basically, this is like gel, and I just love this one because this is very soothing and it has saffron. It's amazing. But you already know, guys, कि every step के बाद you have to give थोड़ा सा break. Trust me, I'm giving the breaks, okay? Since we are going to do makeup and I want that makeup to last long, so hydration is the key. I'm using Aminu's eye cream. Okay, अब हमने अपनी skin prep already कर ली है, but Before showering today, I already decided my dress, like what I'm wearing today, and I'm super excited. I think आप लोगों ने guess कर लिया होगा that which one I'm wearing, but no, I am not going to reveal it because now we are going to do our hair, and for hair, trust me, I am going to do my everyday iconic hairstyle because I cannot open my hair in this hot weather. I just cannot. And then we're going to do our makeup. It's already so glowing and I'm just loving it. Okay, now let's do our hair. For the start, I'm using this L'Oreal Extraordinary Serum. Just taking 2 pumps. I want to use my golden hair clutcher. So I'm done with my 5-minute quick hairstyle. We're gonna do this part at the end and I'm gonna clip it. And if you want to see this hairstyle in detail, you can also check out my shorts or my Instagram reels because I have already put this hairstyle in detail. But let me know if you want a full video around it, like break down every little bit in details. I'm happy to do so. So now that we are done with our hair as well, and let's quickly get into the makeup. I like to use the sunscreen at the first step of makeup, and I'm using this Amino Milky Mineral sunscreen. I just love this one. It just smells amazing, and it also kind of gives an amazing base for makeup. So today is 28th and my birthday is on the 1st. Next up, I'm using this YSL Touche Eclat blur primer. So I'm just using it on my T-points. Immediately blurs out all the pores. Every year, I'm like very excited of birthdays. Like I love birthdays and I love glow ups and doing things for myself on birthday. I mean, it just feel like kind of resets and everything. And I feel so good. I used to watch all those videos, glow up on birthdays. I did this, I did that, and all those things. And I'm so happy and I'm so proud that I am finally making this video. इस साल मैं खुद ये video बना रही हूँ. I'm so thankful for all of you. Thank you so much for all the support and everything. And I'm just so happy to be here. I'm just बहुत हल्का सा color correcting कर रही हूँ. And dark circles. यहाँ पे भी मुझे थोड़ा सा discoloration होने लगा है. 1 pump is enough. I like to warm it on my back of the hand a little bit. Every birthday I get excited for a lot of things, but now I just feel like I want quiet. I think everyone have their own kind of desire to celebrate their birthdays. Some people are just not excited at all. Honestly, I have seen people in my life, they feel depressed on their birthday. They feel like, no, I don't have anyone. Why this birthday is here? No one wished me, and a lot of things. And now as I'm growing, I feel like I like quiet birthday, very intimate kind of birthday. I'm using this concealer from YSL and I gifted this to myself. It just makes me so happy when makeup turns out good. It's a lot of blush. I'm not blending my concealer. Almost done with my makeup. How do you like the makeup? I think I just love it. Okay, मैं बहुत late हो गई हूँ. I took all the time in the world to get ready. But the good thing is, no man is rushing me. Okay, who guessed it right that I'm going to go for black? So this dress is from Oyela. And I realized that मैंने इसको कभी नहीं पहना है पहले. So I'm gonna do false nails. And I am ready. This is the final outfit. I'm taking this bag and wearing this heels. I'm also getting late, but let me quickly show you. I'm wearing this watch. This is from Meesho. I got my nail, and these rings, all of them are offline. I found it in markets. And then this is the bracelet. Wearing this simple necklace with the emerald. I got this earrings in rupees 50 from Sarojini Nagar, and the color is still the same. Final look of my birthday dinner, and I am so ready. My ride is almost here, so I gotta leave, and I will see you soon. Bye.